Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we bring you the most insane rides on the planet. Today, you're about to see something that will completely change the way you look at motorhomes. This isn't just a truck. This isn't just an RV. This is the all-new 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome, an absolute giant on wheels that feels more like a rolling mansion than anything else. From the outside, the legendary Kenworth W900 styling has been transformed into a futuristic luxury powerhouse. That long-nose design, the chrome details, and the bold front grille scream dominance on the road. But once you step inside, you realize you're not in a truck anymore, you're in a palace. The living room greets you with plush leather recliners, a massive 4K smart TV surround sound, and soft LED lighting that makes it feel like a private cinema. Now let's step into the kitchen. This is where the magic happens. You've got a full gourmet setup with sleek marble countertops, a modern induction cooktop, a built-in oven, a double-door refrigerator, and even a microwave seamlessly integrated into the design. The wooden cabinetry is finished in high gloss with soft close hinges, and the LED accent lighting makes the entire kitchen glow like a luxury apartment. Moving to the bedroom, it's pure comfort and elegance. A king-size bed with luxury bedding, premium wood paneling, ambient lighting that adjusts with a touch, and windows that open up to breathtaking views when you're on the road. And now the bathroom. This isn't your average RV bathroom. We're talking a spacious layout with a walk-in rainfall shower, smart glass that frosts with a tap, luxury ceramic sinks, heated flooring, and mirrors with built-in LED touch controls. It's the kind of bathroom you'd expect in a five-star hotel, not inside a motorhome. Every inch of this Kenworth W900 motorhome screams attention to detail, built for those who want to own the road without sacrificing comfort. It's not just travel anymore, it's living large while moving across the country. And here's the wild part, the price tag. This beast costs more than a mansion, but once you see the features and the craftsmanship, you'll know why only a few will ever own one. So what do you think? Would you take this 2026 Kenworth W900 motorhome over a luxury mansion, or is it just too much? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because at Auto Plus, we bring you the most powerful, luxurious, and unbelievable machines the world has ever seen.